Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. See, this is Nazmeen. Welcome back to my new video, English with Nazmeen. So today I'm gonna tell you something tips, and I will give you some tips and some rules that how can you speak very well as like a fluent person, as like a native speaker. So you just have to be watch this video till end because I'll share some secrets in front of you guys, and you just have to be think in your brain and just try to be translate in your native language. Have you ever tried to speak English but you stuck, but you knew the word but you didn't come out these words? You know what? Why this because happened with us? Because we just stammer that time. We just stick that time. So I'll give you some tips, okay? Whenever you will be try step makes everything slower in the stories, we are removing the extra step, the translating step. We are teaching the brain to go straight to English. You know, just like native speakers do. Don't worry, you don't need a perfect grammar, you don't need big words. You just use practice, and that what I give you today. So grab a quick space, a comfortable space, breathe in, relax, and let's start your English thinking workout. So today we are going to train your brain to think in English in real life situations, like when you are cooking, walking, shopping, or talking to someone. Let's jump right in. Situation number one. Waking up in the morning. Imagine you just open your eyes in the morning. Now try to think in English. Say slowly, what time is it? Should I wake up now or sleep for 5 more minutes? What do I have to do today? Now you say it your mind in English. Try to with me. Good job. That's how we start making English our thinking language. Situation number two. Go to the grocery store. Now imagine you are at the supermarket. Try to think this is in English. Joe, we have milk at home. I need onion, ginger, and tomatoes. Which one is fresher? Again, try repeat these things and these types of thought in English in your mind. Every small thought counts. Situation number three. Cooking at home. You are making lunch or dinner. Say or think. Let me chop the vegetables. Where then add some salt. I hope that this is just burnt. Think these thoughts now in English in your mind. Situation number four. Talking to yourself while walking. Imagine you are walking alone. You are thinking, shall I call my friend today? I forget to reply that message of her. I really enjoyed yesterday classes. This is the most natural way to use English in your inner words. Now let's practice for the writing English questions. You need to answer these questions in your mind. Question number one. What the first thing you do after waking up in the morning? What's the first thing you do after waking in the morning? You can say that, for example, that I brush my teeth, I check my phone, I make tea, etc. Now it's your turn. Think the answer in English and in your brain and try to speak. Second questions. What some things we often forget to buy at the store? What's something you often forget to buy at the store? Think in your brain in English. What you forget? Question number three. What's your favorite thing to cook or eat? What's your favorite thing to cook and eat? You could say, I love making pasta, chow mein, and I enjoy eating biryani. Now, this is your turn. Try to speak these lines in your brain and in your inner words. Fourth questions. It's a creative questions. If you could go anywhere right now, where would you go and why? If you could go anywhere right now, where would you go and why? I'll give you my answer. I go to the mountains because it's peaceful. Now, now it's your turn. So don't repeat my answer. Just try to think in your mind that your own answer. It should be your own answer because it's the creative answer. So you are practicing English here. So just try to be say your answer. Great job. You have just completed your second session and your this session that train your brain in English. Now here something very important for you. So don't stop here. Okay? This is quite thinking in English is not just understanding, it's repeating. So go back and repeat this video maybe tomorrow and day after tomorrow. You will feel more confident with every round. And when you go about your day, try this. Try this. Talk to yourself in English. No matter you are alone, just try to say every word, each word in English. Then ask yourself simple questions in English. Like what am I cooking? Yeah, for what I was cooking? Yeah, where I was go that time? That what I will do tomorrow if I will wake up in the morning. In part, then in the next video, I'll help you. Next go a step further because we just have to be learn and think in English. Also, let me know in the comment that what what was your everyday situation, what will be your everyday situation, and what you have translated in your head before speaking English. Be honest. I wanna including the all situations, and I'll include all the things and all the situations of our real life in the next video. So just keep watching my videos and follow me for more videos. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Thank you.